Shaper.
Yo, Shaper, heal scavenger. Everyone, Marlika, step up. Look at the mage, okay? Wait. I'm gonna fake only. Fake only. Everyone, headbutt, northeast. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Headbutt. Alright, come back, southwest. Alright. Yo, Kajak, focus on mage. I need to end this soon. Yo, Marlika, get ready.
Nasa southwest lang yung cutthroat.
Yeah. Thanks, watch sana.
Sige.
Wait. Shallow on me, get ready. 5,
Saan ba
4,
sa
3,
southwest?
2,
Nga.
1, shallow me.
Wait.
Everyone, get ready.
Okay,
They're turning, okay? They're turning. Kill Cooks inside. Ready defenses. Full defend on the choke now. Yo, mage is 1 HP. Can we not leash it? Mage is 1 HP. Brawl it. Yo, demons in front. Brawl it. 800 HP. Everyone walk in. Everyone walk in. Hold him. Deep north side. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Kill everyone. Yo, give me the banner.
7-3 shaper ah.
Yo, catch everything.
Northwest.
Catch everything.
Drop
Catch
all.
everyone.
Ano yung XT, yung XT nasa top ng ng tower.
7-3 shaper north.
Tabi mo, Mogi, sa tabi mo.
Yo, kill everything inside.
Cutthroat dismounted southwest. Isa lang. Ay, hindi. Nag-mount up na.
Oh, what's Cook side, Jen? Wait. Fuck.
Apat na
It's a prank. I'm back.
Guardian niya si Mugi. Baka may mag-ano.
Just guarding me.
Si Aguero sa baba. Pero si Aguero.
Si Aguero daw.
Alam, may pumasok.
Nakabol ko tong rat.
Yo, listen. We denied them the lunch, Marlika. Yo, 60 Kajaks. You guys can demas if you want, okay? I'm gonna stay in Terry till 7 UTC. I'm gonna deny them the lunch so that I can put walls.
Ay, naku, 6 lang po. Tatlong O pala. Sorry.
Sinful hour, you guys.
23.
Okay. Oh, can you try just deny CDG the lunch? I just wiped them just now. If they don't get a lunch, we can fuck them tomorrow in Sing Terry.
Okay.
Oh yeah, Marlika, come kill the mages. Yo, listen, we denied them the lunch. Fuck these retards. This retards has been trash talking me because fucking Ores has been coming to bug my content. The one time Ores is not here, right? They get fucked real hard.
Sino ka friendly fight nila, Mugi?
I don't know. Actually, who the fuck are they friendly fighting at this time? CCTV?
Sabi ni Liam They don't care.
Sabihan pa naman eh.
Who the fuck would fix fight with them? Like, at this timer?
Wala, nagagawa lang ng dahilan yata yun.
Comes out.
Para hindi sayang yung OC ng mga tao na.
Comes out. You kill the major.
I vote myself for the MVP. Not gonna lie.
Yo, thank you for the sacrifices on the banner. You know?
Wala.
Holy fuck.
Di naman
Bro,
na-skip
you wanna
up.
see? You wanna see? Let me show you it. Then
Flames. Wait, who the fuck died 5 times? Is it Cooks or us? I mean, nobody should have died like a lot of times. Bro, where the fuck was Aguila?
Meron, pero for 3 lang.
Ay, gago.
Pinatay ng
Aguila did
top
not mass because the main color is not online.
Oh, lumao.
Yeah.
Are all the mages dead here?
They have 0 colors on them. Gagawa ng guild ni Drew.
Sinandro.
Drew.
Okay, slash stats mo lang. Slash stats.
Sino pwedeng bigyan ng Lutz? Minapulot ako.
I think he's playing Warborn, not gonna lie.
Yeah, ayan.
Hindi na pwedeng iligay yung
Okay,
Bruce.
Battle man.
Button mo.
Yo,
Aside mo, ano.
Lancerly, can you
Masman, paano patay?
can you drop Martyr? Mamaya.
Anong mar?
Just drop it. Because we have so much theory, just drop them. The Willow Shade Mire, not Drownfield Mire. Willow Shade Mire, the one far away.
Bigyan na lang sa Tokang.
No, I'll give Tokhang the spring. Tokhang, is Sinful, are you still here? Sinful? Sinful?
Kinain ng liwanag.
Benta ko sa Portal Gankers, Mugi.
Nasaan sa sige?
Paano yung wetland mamaya, Mugi?
The wetland later, deny them content.
Bigay mo sa baba, Doy.
Yung
Unless-
lunch yung all rise.
Unless ally has mass. We'll see how big we are later. Because if we have no mass later, I mean, Kajak, will you be able to mass 08? 60, will you be able to mass 08? 08? Leopai, Kajak, will you be able to mass 08? Like a proper mass? Because I'm contemplating, right? I'm contemplating because if we do have the, if we do have like the proper mass, like the usual we have, right? We can fight them. But if not, we just, dodge it.
HQ naman yun, Mogi. Pagurin mo.
Okay. So then yeah. Then I deny them content then. Just maybe we do 12 UTC later.
Yeah. Look at this, Mugi.
Can I see?
Ouch, fuck, I'm lagging.